Hello, and thank you for your interest in my new course, Painting cat portraits in watercolour. My name's Liz Chaderton. I'm a watercolour artist based in Berkshire, and I teach in person and online. This new course is all about painting our wonderful feline friends, capturing their beauty and softness in watercolour. And the reason I love watercolour for painting cats is that it does combine boldness, because our cats are bold, but softness to capture their sort of fluffiness, and then also transparency to capture their beautiful eyes. So painting cats is really one of my favourite subjects. I'd much prefer to paint a domestic cat than to paint the most magnificent lion, because if you look closely you can definitely see their inner lion. You might be wondering if this course is right for you. So first thing to say is that I've filmed it in my studio here. It is not filmed in a television studio, so there will not be super clever angles of the cameras and things. I film it to make it as close as possible to sitting next to me, working with me. The sound will be clear, the vision will be clear, but as I say, it will not have fancy effects. So what's covered? First of all, we can start by warming up with a very simple painting like this, just a silhouette. And what this will teach us is letting the water flow with wet and wet, layering, looking at edges, thinking about shapes, thinking about colours. We will learn so much in this. That's to warm up our brushes and make sure that we're speaking the same language. We will also talk about edges, because edges in watercolour are so important. We will look at hard edges, soft edges and lost edges. Having made sure that we're speaking the same language, we're going to go on and look at features, and we'll start with eyes, because cat's eyes are just gorgeous, and we'll do a sheet of eyes like that to really capture making sure they're round and transparent and glowing with light. We'll also just go through different ways of addressing whiskers, because the cat's whiskers are very important. Having done that, we will do two full portraits together. This is the first one, and you've already seen the white cat. White is a particular issue in watercolour because you're painting a white subject on white paper. All these are filmed in real time. I do not cut out the important things, but if you want to go a little bit faster, then just use the settings so that you can watch it at double speed if you want. And then at the end, I've put together a little library of some really lovely reference photos. They all come from pixabay.com, so they can all be used without any fear of copyright infringement. Please check out the materials list as well to make sure there's nothing surprising on there. And then I hope that's told you enough that you are as excited as I am about this course and will sign up.